In this tutorial, I'll show you how to give Shopify store access. By the end, you'll have sent an invite with the right permissions and your teammate or partner will be able to log into your Shopify admin securely. First, log into your Shopify admin. Open your browser, go to your Shopify login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. Once you're on the main admin dashboard, we can set up access. Next, go to Settings. In the bottom left corner of the admin, click Settings to open your store's configuration area. From here, click Users and Permissions. This is where you manage who can access your Shopify store and what they're allowed to do. Now click Add Staff, or it may say Add User depending on your view. Click that button to open the invite form. Enter the person's name and email. They type their first and last name so you can easily identify them later. Carefully enter their email address since the invite will be sent there. Take a second to double check for typos so the invitation reaches the right person. Choose their permissions, which control what they can access. You'll see options you can turn on based on the tasks they need to do, such as managing products, viewing orders, or editing settings. Select only what they need to do their job. This keeps your store secure and reduces the chance of accidental changes. If you're unsure, start with the minimum required and you can adjust later from the same users and permissions page. Once that's done, click Send Invite. The invite is now on its way to their email. Don't worry, they won't be able to access your Shopify store until they accept the invitation and finish setting up their account. At this point, ask the user to check their email. Let them know to look for an email from Shopify inviting them to access your store. If they don't see it right away, remind them to check the inbox they provided. They click Accept Invite. In the email, there will be a clear Accept Invite button. When they click it, they'll be taken to a secure Shopify page to complete the process. Finally, they create or log into their account. If they're new to Shopify, they'll create an account by setting a password. If they already have a Shopify account with that email, they simply sign in. As soon as they complete this step, their access to your Shopify store is active with the permissions you selected. You can keep the users and permissions page open while they complete the invite. If needed, refresh the page to see their status update from invited to active after they accept. From here on, they can log in and work within the parts of the Shopify admin you granted, and you can return at any time to adjust or remove permissions if responsibilities change. To recap the flow on screen, you signed into the Shopify admin, opened settings, went to users and permissions, selected add staff or add user, entered their name and email, set the correct permissions, and sent the invite. Then you notified the person to check their email, they clicked accept invite, and they created or logged into their account. With that, the access handoff is complete. That's it. You've successfully given Shopify store access, and the new user can now log in with the permissions you assigned. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.